God, would you still love me if I laid in bed with the devil? Would you still love me if I hated you? Would you still love me if I left you? I know the answer. You told me yes, but it's hard to believe it. You don't excuse sin. You hate it, but yet still love me. And I guess that makes me uncomfortable. I never feel like I am enough. I gotta go over the top to please everybody else, but with you I can't even reach the surface. I could try for 1,000,000 lifetimes and still wouldn't even come close to earning your love. So why do you love me, God? I just need to know if it's true. I just need to know if it's true.